All right, happy Friday, guys. So we're going to talk about recap for this week for Forex. So let's see what I'm going to talk about what happened today, so you guys get a chance to see what I'm talking about. So the US dollar ended up going up today, and US 30 fell down, S&P 500 fell down, and NASDAQ fell down. Crazy, right? So what are we assuming here? Is the market about to crash? Not yet. I'm still waiting to see what's going to happen within the first 2 weeks of October. And then also what is going to happen for November as well, because we do have, I believe, they're not midterm elections. What are they again? I can't remember. But there's always elections at political offices running during the pretty much the first 2 weeks of November. But the first week of November is pretty important, man. So I don't expect a major crash yet. Like I said, I know a lot of people are asking, like, oh man, when's this market gonna crash? I don't know. We gotta see what's gonna happen with the housing market, right? I know I'm starting to see more homes for sale. Maybe people are just trying to downgrade. I don't know. And like I said, what's gonna happen with unemployment with the jobs report coming in, for November, for the first week. So the first week of November and the end of the the end of October is going to be more of a highlight for me and a spotlight to see what's going to happen with the market before we come into Thanksgiving and the holidays, which is Christmas. So we'll see how that all plays out. So gold ended up going down pretty hard, and went all the way down. Wait, hold on. We're down to 1744. So if you sold gold, you may kill him this week selling gold for sure. Like I said, US dollar is back up, breaking up to the upside. I'm expecting for the US dollar to come back to 93.8, and we'll see if it breaks for 94 for next week here. USD Jpy still in this consolidation phase. I would not waste my time trying to swing this trade, this pair at all. Me personally, I would just scalp this pair. I would not waste my time swinging at all for USD Jpy. The pound ended up going back down, which is good. That's what I like to see. And zooming out, I would be looking for 136 and 135. But 136 would be the first target right down here. That's what I'd be looking at. Euro GBP, not a whole lot for Euro GBP. Oh, people still trying to talk to me, dude. Okay. So Euro GP is just consolidating between 86 and 85. Not a whole lot of movement, because if we look at Euro ended up crashing down pretty hard too. So not as crazy. Well, almost like the pound, but like I said, the value of Euro is much weaker than the pound, right? Because if you look at the value of Euro, it's $1.37 and $1.17. So we're talking what, a 20-cent value here. So with the Euro going back down, I would target 116 for sure off this bottom support here on the daily. For next week here. USD Swiss franc actually broke to the upside, just like the US dollar. So I'm pretty shocked to see this move here. I was wondering whether it's going to end up breaking higher, or it's going to break it lower, and then breaking higher with the US dollar index. I'm looking for it to come back to 94, which is almost a same price range what I just said with the DXY, because I was talking about 94 on the DXY, which is back here, which is the 94 is right up here. Now, the reason why I'm talking about the 94, because as it does shoot back up to 93.8, it would break this previous resistance, and we have more previous resistance at the 94.4 and the 94.8. Okay, so that is the US dollar index compared to the USD Swiss franc right here, guys. USD CAD ended up going back up. I would target 128, and we'll see where it goes from there. That's all I'll be looking at. Because USD CAD got denied at 129.95, but ended up closing in these candlesticks at under, right above 128 at 128.228 here. I'm just trying to find precise price here. So right under 128.5 here for you guys. Let's talk about Australia. Going back down, I would keep selling Australia. I would target 72 and 71 down here for Australia. New Zealand, same setup. I would target a sell down to 70, 69, and 68 would be the final take profit if you were to hold it for long term. Other than that, that's my recap for you guys. I mean, like, so I give you guys, you know, scenarios, but these are scenarios I'm going for, okay? Based on, you know, price action plus candlesticks, naked Forex, baby, and with the candlestick Bible. Other than that, happy Friday, happy weekend, and like I said, stay positive, stay safe, and make a difference, guys. Other than that, stacking checks, okay? All right, peace out, guys.